Welcome to this video on mastering SAP Materials Management. Discover how training in procurement, inventory management, and SAP S/4HANA can serve as your gateway to a successful career in the SAP ecosystem, presented by ThinkTree Technologies. SAP MM is the engine of modern supply chains. By integrating procurement, inventory management, and vendor management, businesses can reduce operational costs, improve inventory control, and significantly enhance overall productivity. This module powers the global industry ecosystem from extraction and manufacturing to distribution. It provides essential business benefits like streamlined procurement, better inventory control, faster decision-making, and improved supply chain visibility. Think of SAP MM as a central integration engine. It facilitates real-time data flow across departments, connecting with FICO for finance, SD for sales, PP for production planning, and warehouse management systems to ensure efficiency and accuracy. The modern business imperative is moving to SAP S/4HANA. Most global organizations are migrating from legacy ECC systems to this intelligent platform. To future-proof your career, mastering the S/4HANA environment is essential. Our training architecture follows a structured path to mastery. We guide you from foundational master data management through the active execution of procurement cycles to the realization of inventory management within the enterprise. Taking a deep dive into procurement, we examine the timeline from the initial purchase requisition and RFQ process to vendor selection and final purchase orders. All of this is built upon the solid bedrock of master data. The physical inventory lifecycle is just as critical. We cover inbound goods receipt, internal stock transfers, physical inventory movements, and outbound goods issues, ensuring your data always reflects the reality on the warehouse floor. No matter your current background, whether you are a fresh graduate, a procurement professional, or an existing SAP user, our training provides a clear pathway to upgrade your skills and transition into highly paid strategic consultant roles. SAP MM offers high-demand career trajectories. From entry-tier specialist roles to the peak tier of SAP S/4HANA consulting, this module remains one of the most stable and respected paths in the global IT sector. Investing in your SAP education pays off. You gain higher salary potential, global career scope across borders, preparation for official SAP certifications, and a robust ERP foundation for continuous professional growth. India has become a global epicenter for SAP training. Benefit from industry-focused curricula, mentorship from highly experienced trainers, affordable learning options, and access to strong placement opportunities within a vast network of multinational companies. When evaluating a training partner, look beyond theory. Premium practical training should offer a focus on S/4HANA, hands-on project exposure, resume and placement assistance, and the flexibility of online learning to ensure your success. Build your future today by combining S/4HANA skills, real-time project training, and certification guidance. You can secure a future-proof SAP career. Enroll now with ThinkTree Technologies and start your journey with confidence.